Yes, there is a wrong way to hold your fist for a punch, and I'm going to show you the proper way now. So it comes in two parts. First, you've got to remember that you are punching and your thumb is folded over the rest of your fingers. You don't want it inside the thumb. You'd think, oh, it's cool, it's not a loose thing. But when you actually make contact, it's going to make these fingers collapse on it and it's going to smush your thumb, possibly breaking it. What you want is it to be uninterrupted and folded in neatly here so it's flush and you can see your fist has it nice and tucked away. Then you want to make sure that you're going to be making contact with these two knuckles. They're bigger knuckles on most people's anatomy. These ones are sort of just extraneous. You'll notice that these are a bit thicker, but also these are the knuckles you'll be making contact with because when your arm is fully extended, these two knuckles are the ones that stack with your joints to reinforce the punch and prevent crumple. So all the force is imparted at the end of the punch wherever you're targeting. So it stacks up along your forearm to your elbow and then over to your shoulder. That way when you're punching, the force is traveling in the correct direction and you should leave your exchange with all your fingers intact. Thank you, subscribe, have a good day.